Xbox.
How's it going? This is Ricardo, and in this video I'm going to show you how to remove the heatsink from a Dell Inspiron 1520. If you're looking for parts for this laptop, go to our website and use this coupon for a 5% off discount. The first thing you're going to do is slide the latches over and remove the battery. Now remove the optical drive screw. Slide the optical drive out of the laptop. The next thing you're going to do is remove the hard drive screws. Now slide the hard drive out of the laptop. Loosen captive screws and remove wireless card door. Now unplug and loosen antenna cables. Remove bottom palmrest screws. Then remove bottom hinge screws. Next, you're going to remove the back hinge screws. Turn the laptop over and open it up. Unsnap and remove the power button cover. Then unplug and remove the Bluetooth card. Loosen the display cable screw. Then unplug and loosen the display cables. Now remove the LCD display. Next, remove the keyboard screws. Loosen the keyboard and slide it up. Now unplug the keyboard cable and remove the keyboard. Next, remove the palmrest screws. Unplug the palmrest cable. And remove the palmrest. Now loosen the heatsink screws to remove heatsink. Need more? Check out these other tutorials. For LCD screens, click here. For motherboards, click here. For keyboards, click here. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give our video a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Check out partspeople.com, where we have hundreds of tutorials and hundreds of thousands of parts.